We are soaring now in the 80s and we can't go back. That's why I'm prioritizing the structure. I was so stressed yesterday. You can ask Dr. Ndingi to make sure I'm here this morning, because this structure is so important for us, because this structure really can determine also which way we want to go. This structure is so important when it comes to dealing with issues in our community. I've got a presentation, but I see they are struggling a bit with the presentation. Allow me first to give you a few highlights. One of our highlights is the fact that we have maintained our 84.17%. Now, you will say your target was 87. But when we looked at it, I want you to be proudly Eastern Cape. We are one of the biggest departments in the province, with the largest number after KZN and Gauteng in terms of our learners that are writing matric exams. We are one of the province with the biggest maths intake. Now I want to explain. If maths in the country is going down, what will happen to Eastern Cape? If we are having 38, close to 40,000 learners doing maths, and which is close to 40 to 45% of your learners doing pure maths, and maths is down in the country, what will happen to us? We will go down in the country. But what was hitting us hard was isiXhosa. You know, colleagues, we need to make sure we don't do things to ourselves. Do you know that in the province we're setting the Xhosa paper? We're setting it. We're moderating it. We're doing all that. But the Xhosa paper was so difficult that was said that even Umalusi had to step in. That Umalusi had to say, hi, we need to give extra computer basic points to Eastern Cape Department of Education, or our learners will fail like flies. isiXhosa. The next one, English file. So which says, as the department, we need to take a closer look in terms of why did our learners not do well with isiXhosa and with English file. Now, if you look at the majority of our learners, they're taking isiXhosa and English file. So if we are doing poorly in that area, we're going to have a dip. I like what our MEC said in Parliament the other day. MEC said in Parliament that, you know, we can easily be in the 90% achievement. But it's because we have a big maths intake. So when the learners are failing pure maths, they're failing isiXhosa, they're failing English file, they're gone. So which means as a province we need to give attention to those areas. We must stop all these interventions that we only have for matric. Our interventions should start now, grade 8 upwards, because at times there's a different type of learner you're getting from a primary school, or a different type of learner